So here's how to deploy a React app to GitHub Pages. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your GitHub account. Then after that, here you have to simply click on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now you have to simply click on the create new repository option to create a new repository. Moving on to the next step, here you have to enter your repository name. Make sure to name it in the format of your username .github.io. If you want to host your app on the main domain, or use a different repository name if you want to host your app in a different subdirectory. After that, ensure that you keep the repository public, and then you have to scroll down and click on the create a new repository option. Now go back to your laptop's home screen, and in the search bar you have to move your cursor and then click the Windows plus R from your keyboard. Now here you have to remove this command and enter cmd.exe or simple cmd and then click on the OK. After clicking onto the OK, our run command has been opened. Make sure that you have installed node.js on your laptop device. If not, you can download and install them from the official node.js website. Open your command prompt and navigate to your React apps root directory. Run the following command to build your app. Here you have to type in npm space run space build and then hit on the enter. This will create an optimized build for your app in the build directory. Now you have to install the GHPage. For this you have to enter this code install space gh/pages. This will help you to publish your app to GitHub page. Run the following command. Open your package.json file and add the following lines. Once you open your package.json file, its interface look like this. You have to simply click on the enter and then again hit on the enter. After that, here you have to simply paste this code. In your GitHub repository, go to the setting tab, scroll down to the GitHub page section and make sure the source is set. Just clicking onto the page, we will be able to view this interface where the link is provided. So that's how to deploy React app on GitHub Pages.